This right here, we have a 2012 Hoffman Condor, supposedly 20th anniversary frame. We have updated parts such as a Redline Viscount seat along with a stolen choker clamp, ODI super soft grips, Mission brake lever, and we have a Lizard Skins dust cover. The bike weighs around probably 25 pounds. It has a black sheep rim in the back along with a Mission hub. Other than that, everything on it is stock besides the number plate. And the brake cable would be animal legal brake cable. MSRP is $330 new, and this was literally the last one that they had on Danscomp. Here's some close-ups. Tires that have?
Oh, Fit FAF.
We have Fit FAF tires, 2.1 front and back.
Spin this around.
Well, I'll do it.
Spin around.
Pretty loud.
No, I'm just gonna set a mission react, and you can spin it. Decently loud hub.
14mm rear, 3/8 front.
Yeah.
14mm rear, 3/8 front axle.
And I have a kink cable holder. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Okay. With a zip tie around it because it's falling apart.
Well, that would be the bike check. More bike checks to come soon. Goodbye.
Yeah.